Hey y'all, today we're going to be flipping a bed, and I just wanted to show you some of the tools that I use and how we do it. So we'll catch you on the other side. So the first thing that we do when we flip a bed is tilt it. I'm using the Neversink Tilther from Connor, and not sponsored, but I like this product. It works good for us. So I'll make about 3 passes on this, and I'll just disturb the soil on the top inch. So the next step is raking it all smooth. I've modified this landscape rake to be exactly 30 inches, which is the size of our bed, and it works pretty good for us. Today I'm going to be planting some Asian greens. I got some Chi Jim Sai from Baker Creek as free seed, and they go on a rave about it, so I'm going to see how that grows. And then I also have some Han Sai Thai, which is an Asian broccoli rabe style broccoli, and we'll be growing that too. I'm going to plant them both 6 inches apart, 3 rows, and so we'll do that right now. Our beds are 30-inch rows, so we'll get that set. And then we're going to put one at 15 inches, which is the center, of course. We'll put one at 24 because that's 9 inches off center, and one at 6 because that's also 9 inches off center. And then we'll follow those all the way down as we plant. So today when we transplant, we're going to be using this to dig the holes. I saw one of the YouTubers, Farmer Jesse, using this, and I thought it was pretty cool, so we'll give it a shot. And we got this on Amazon. It comes in a 3-pack, 3 different sizes, so check it out. Alright guys, so it's important that after you transplant all your babies in that you give them some water, and so they can suck it up. Alright y'all, time to plant these in. So everything I got here we put in soil blocks, and we'll probably go over soil blocks next week in a video. They're really easy to transplant, they air prune. They just go right in there and you just tuck them in and you're good to go, and you can grab the next one. They're really easy to handle. I like them a lot better than the cell trays because of the fact that they're easy to handle. We did the cell trays last year, and we found that when you're doing the cell trays, you got to have a pencil or something to poke them out of the bottom with, and a lot of the times they break. And I just found that I lost a lot of transplants with those, so we're not using them anymore. We saw these. The vegetable gardeners are using them more, but when we saw them, it seemed like a lot of the flower farmers were using them. But it looks like everyone's using them now, so we're using them too. And we like the way they work. My wife especially likes the way they work. She got so mad every time a plant would come out of the tray and it would fall apart and it'd die or whatever. It was like someone ran over her cat. It was horrible. But with these, that doesn't happen. And like you can see here, they go in really quick, really easy. And they seem to be healthier transplants as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much.